Hi and hello there, Aries! Welcome dito sa channel. Yun nga sa ating mga new subscribers, my name is Yan. Returning is Tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. So, happy Valentine's Day, Aries! So, yun ako hindi pa alam mga babes, mayroon pa tayong other channel, link down below sa description box. Kung interesado kayo, araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, no, you can also switch roles if you want, dahil general reading ito. And of course, na tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon, Aries, kung ano ang inyo ditong love reading for March 2026. So, let us see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much, Angel Guides. Can we get messages for Aries, please? What this Aries needs to know when it comes to love. So, thank you so much. What this Aries needs to know when it comes to love. Just take only what resonates here. Aries. Aries in Love, March 2026. Okay. So, let's go ahead and check these messages para kay Aries. So, meron kayo ditong energy ng King of Cups. Ten of Coins. Ooh. The Three of Coins. The Sun. Ay, ang ganda. Lord of Candles could be dealing here with Taurus, or doesn't have to be na Taurus lang yung sign na. Maaring meron siyang Taurus sa kanyang natal or birth chart, no? Pero I'm getting the same vibe, no? Sa ating Taurus reading. So baka si Taurus ang kakonect mo rito. So pwede mo rin panoorin yung ating Taurus reading yesterday. So we have here the Tower as well. Four of Candles, bottom of the deck, Six of Kills, and the Five of Candles. Ooh. Kung sino man 'to, Aries, 'no, na lumalabas dito bilang one you're destined to marry with, Four of Candles energy, nakikita ko na ang taong ito ay marami kang karibal, maraming nagkakagusto dito sa tao na 'to. Very attractive kasi siya 'no, parang taglay niya rito 'no, yung, very attractive na energy 'no, parang nagtataglay siya rito ng natural beauty 'no, and at the same time, nakikita ko na siya ay good person 'no, may magandang character at personality at high chance na hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala ng taong ito 'no. Lumalabas na makikilala mo ang taong ito 'no kapagka naka-experience ka ng parang malaking problema 'no. Lahat naman ng tao dito 'no, may problem 'di ba? Pero ito ata yung pinakamalaking pagsubok mo 'no for this year 'no. Dun siya lalabas, dun siya mag-a-appear 'no, and this person here will become your savior. Okay, this person here, ang kanyang pagdating ay perfect timing, divine timing right in here na para siyang this person is like a sunshine to you. And everything that this person will tell you, it's like parang alam mo yun, 'no? Parang ang dali lang lahat. Parang effortless yung mga solutions 'no, para sa mga problema 'no. And this person here is not, someone na sinasabi lang yun kasi para makakuha or makadagdag ganda points or pogi points 'no, para mas maging mukha siyang attractive, hindi. Ganun talaga siya. This person is literally like the sun 'no. So, parang lumalabas siya rito 'no na almost perfect, wala ka talagang masasabi dito sa person na 'to, talagang ito na talaga 'no, yung ultimate person 'no, na ikaw kasi Aries, medyo hirap ka rin na magtiwala sa kahit na sino, especially when it comes to love 'no, at hindi ka madaling ma-fall. Pero sa kanya magugulat ka, bakit parang nung dumating 'tong tao na 'to, hindi dahil sinave niya ako or whatsoever, bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko for him or her 'no? Tama, because siya ang person na nakatakda for you. Ang person na makakasama mo ng panghabang buhay dito. Ang person na talagang mag-aalaga sa'yo at magiging pamilya ninyo. I repeat, lahat tayo ditong gender LGBT because of course welcome din kayo. In other words, hindi siya mangiiwan dito whether that's karangyaan, whether that's another reason, whether that's another man, another woman, no? Karet, hindi ganon ang taong ito. Okay? Parang bonus na lang yung ganda niya rito or kagwapuhan niya rito pero talagang napakabuti niyang tao. Ay! Ang taong ito ay nagpapakita mula tao sa malayo, 'no? Maaaring magkaiba kayo ng lugar na kinalakhan or magkaiba kayo ng, physically far away kayo ngayon sa isa't isa. Like let's say na maybe you're from other country or maybe this person's from other country. Maybe dulo-dulo kayo rito, 'no? Iba naman basta magkalayo, magkaiba, 'no? Maaari ring iba ito ng race or ethnicity, 'no? So just take only what resonates, 'no? Possible rin dito ang differences sa religion, pero ano man 'yan, eh, it doesn't matter because this is the person you'll end up marrying with. He or she is the one na pakakasalan mo. Ang taong ito ay very faithful, no? At makikita ko, no, nakaiinggitan ka ng lahat, Aries, just because ikaw ang pipiliin niya. Ikaw yung tao rito, no, na mapapansin niya, no? At nakakaloka rin kasi ikaw, Aries, hindi ka rin yung klase ng energy mabilis ma-fall, 'no. Actually, meron kang trust issues because of the person you have dealt with sa mga past mo. Okay, so kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, 'no, siya lang ang tanging mapapansin mo dito, walang iba na in both of you, okay. Alam mo kung sino 'to, I don't know, pero parang yung person na lumalabas rito, 'no, ang daming nag-aagawan sa kanya, ang daming curious kung meron na ba siyang someone, taken na ba siya or whatsoever. So, hindi ko alam kung sino ka-deal mo dito, Aries, but it looks like this person here is definitely well-respected, someone, na puwedeng, marami ritong nagkakagusto sa kanya, maybe sa kanya ritong work kilala siya, or maybe sa kanya ritong business, just take only what resonates, but it looks like this person here is someone who is very charming. Malakas yung appeal niya, malakas rito yung kanyang charisma, malakas rito, 'no, yung kanya ritong as well faith sa kanyang God, 'no. At when it comes to his or her physical appearance, definitely, wow! Alam mo yung 'pag kinasal siya, maraming iiyak. Maraming mabo-broken hearted, 'no, but you are the luckiest person because ikaw ang pakakasalan niya kasi sa'yo rin titibok ang puso niya, parehas kayo, eh. This person here is hindi naman sa high yung standards niya, pero ikaw lang yung mapapansin niya. Why is that? It is because you're meant to be. It is because you are meant to be together. It is because this is your destined person here. It is because this is your true soulmate right here. Wow. And you are meant to build and create that solid foundation, that legacy right in here. You're meant to be together. This person here could be creative, like pwedeng literal talagang marunong mag-drawing, mag-sketching, painting. Maybe magaling yung hands niya for crafting, no, sculpting, or whatever. This person's creative, especially his or her hands and ang kanyang brain. Definitely a lot of ideas, very creative person. So whoever this energy is, this person's coming sa'yo, Aries. Okay? This person's coming, okay? And you very pretty soon mamimit ang taong ito. This person here is very calm. I don't know. Parang every time na may kumakausap sa kanya, it feels like heaven, no? Heaven sent siya, no? Yeah, I just heard Chonsa. Chonsa, angel. Okay, so this person looks like literally an angel right in here. As per my cards are saying, wow. So definitely this person is your person. Wow. Wow. Okay, sorry about that commercial mga babes. Now, let's go back na dito sa ating pinag-uusapan right here. So, whoever this energy is, this person here is very loving, mapagmahal, faithful siya dito. Yes, minsan na rin siya nasaktan sa love, pero this person believes that alam niya no, na yung right one for him or her is just out there and then boom, makakakilala kayo rito, makikilala niyo siya rito, no? And I do pick up that everything happens naturally and your feelings will connect you. It's like there's this magnetic force right in here na palakas ng palakas, no? And it will pull you together. Oh. And I do pick up that whoever this energy is, now there's a high chance that this is your twin flame. Okay, you came from one soul, no? Nagka-separate kayo, no? In order to mature, no? And then you're going back into each other's arms right now, no? And I do pick up that divine timing is very near, no? You will be reunited again as one. And kung sino man tong energy na to, no? I do pick up that this person here, is someone na poprotektahan ka, ipagtatanggol ka because like what I'm saying right in here, this person is very strong. Okay? Whether he or she is a woman right here or a man, Latin gender LGBTQ this person here will keep you secure. And magkakaroon talaga kayo dito ng masayang pamilya, no? And I do pick up this person here. Okay, alam mo yung magiging mabilis, no? Yung inyo rito, no? Na, what's this? Connection, no? Mabilis rin kayo dito na maikakasal, no? At nakikita natin dito that ma-accept siya dito ng family mo, ng family niya, ng friends mo, ng friends niya, no? And nakikita ko rito, no, na despite of the differences, kasi parang may ibang mga pagkakaiba rito eh, no? Pero hindi yan magiging hadlang, no? Everything will work out just fine as from the looks of this. And nakikita ko rin dito na that you will definitely have your happily ever after with this person. So if you do not believe with happily ever after, then you'll definitely experience one and then you will start believing that hindi lang yung mga Disney princesses, hindi lamang yung mga prince, yung mga may happy ending, no, but it also exists in real life, no, because you will have that one as well. See? So, whoever this energy is with this Lord of Cups energy right in here, no, meron ka ditong mararamdaman Aries, no, na parang feeling mo familiar na tong tao na to sa'yo or parang nakita mo na siya somewhere. Yes, it's true. Because there's a very strong past life na kumukonek sa inyong dalawa. So, whoever this energy is, I don't know where he or she is coming from. Basta malayo siya sa'yo ngayon. So, pwedeng via airplane or via cruise ship, no, whatever. Pagitan ninyo ay dagat, karagatan, or himpapawid, no, or lawak ng ah, kalangitan. No, but definitely this person here, you will be together again. Because it's about time that you will create na this happily ever after. Buhong! So, kasi naman tong energy na to, no? This person here, maaaring significant yung number 3, number 4, and we also have here number 30. Just take only what resonates here. And of course, no, nakita ko din dito that this person, alam pares kayo na mararamdaman. Ewan niya rin bakit parang bigla siya ritong nakaramdam ng ganyan sa'yo, no? At ikaw ba't ka biglang nakaramdam ng gano'n, no? And it's love, no? Then, both of you nakita ko rito na hindi niyo paglalabanan ang feelings niyan na yan, kundi yan ay inyo rito, no? Na what's this? Maiintindihan, no? That you're both meant dito, no? For each other, no? Magiging mabilis lahat, no? Hindi magtatagal, kakasal din kayo ng taong ito, no? And then magkakasama kayo rito, no? Like definitely yung happily ever after will exist in your love story. So yeah, for the initials right in here, yes, we have capital letter M, capital letter C, capital letter H, capital letter T. We also have here capital letter B as in boy. We also have here capital letter L and capital letter I. So for other letters might not be capital, we have here Q, G, small letter L, E, and last but not least, we've got O. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Na by the way, if hindi nyo pa alam, no, mayroon pa tayo dito no, na other channel, araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. So ano mong zodiac sign mo, free ka na manood doon kahit na super tagal na uploaded ng mga videos there, kahit siglop pa yan, kung tinatawag yung attention mo din, baka yun pa lang yung right time na maringgan mo yung mga mensaheng nakapaloob doon. Okay, so feel free lang na mag-browse, no, sa mga video readings natin, timeless naman yan. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much. It's such a privilege to see this beautiful love story of yours, Aries. So again, I'm your Yana, only for the girls and Yana, do not for the boys. Sarang love and light. Annyeong.